Let's DIY a pretty Easter basket using supplies from the Dollar Tree. I'm using one of their baskets from the Dollar Tree. I think this is pretty nice for $1.25. It is different colors of pink and purple, so I'm going to kind of go with that theme. I picked up some spring flowers from the Dollar Tree that I thought would match this really well. And what I want to do on this Easter basket DIY is make it a flower and butterfly theme. I thought that would be so pretty. So what I'm going to do is decorate the basket itself before we fill this up with goodies. There's so many Easter basket fillers that you can get from the Dollar Tree, and of course florals. This is their little berry garland from the Dollar Tree, just the white berries on there. I thought that'd be a nice neutral color. And I'm going to start by just wrapping the handle with this and also attaching flowers as I go around the handle. I can attach that with hot glue. Also, using the berry garland, the wire in there helps to hold it on as well as I go around the top of it. You are going to want to glue your handle so it stays upright. And then I'm going to switch up some different kinds of flowers, but we're going to still stay in this different color scheme. You can get the little variety packs of flowers from the Dollar Tree that have multiple flowers on the same branch, and sometimes they even have butterflies on them, which I think is really cute. So just going to add some different kinds of flowers, like maybe here to cover up this part of the basket to make it more beautiful. This Easter basket turned out so pretty. It's definitely one of my favorites that I've done. And we'll do a butterfly up here. I find that the butterflies on the florals are my favorite to craft with from the Dollar Tree because they're just the prettiest, I think. I think that is enough of the berry garland, but I do want to add some more flowers. So I just pull them off the stem and glue what little bit of a stem is on there to the basket. It definitely doesn't have to be permanent for an Easter basket. So kind of do the best that you can. I just got one of those hot glue skillets. I'm really excited to try that. For florals, you can just dip the stem into the hot glue skillet. I think that sounds so fun. And then maybe another butterfly down here looking like it landed next to the flowers. And then if you ever have any wrinkled flowers from the Dollar Tree, using a heat gun or a blow dryer can really make them look a lot better, but these actually look pretty good. So let's fill this up with goodies that I found from the Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm going to do is some green Easter grass. You could also use paper shreds. I kind of go back and forth which one I like to use. I thought these were really shiny though, so I went with green for this one. Kind of to look like grass, right? And then just fill it up with goodies. I found bubbles, Easter themed bubbles from the Dollar Tree. I can do pink to match the theme. Maybe a little Etch-a-Sketch from the toy aisle at the Dollar Tree. We can do a little chocolate Easter bunny. I found some pink peeps that's going to go with the pink theme of this basket, traditional candy. And then we can fill up some Easter eggs as well. These are some little Easter bunny suckers, super cute. I'm going to choose like the colors that coordinate well with this basket. And I have so many Easter basket DIYs over on my YouTube channel to give you ideas for everyone on your list. I'm going to fill up just some eggs with some candy eggs, some jelly beans. Super easy, in pinks and purples as well. And this is how it turned out. If you would like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!